Want to fix NFL error code 5001? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is fully close the NFL app or browser tab. For that, exit out of the app, then open the app switcher and swipe NFL off. Now again, you want to launch it open and check if your problem is fixed. This will quickly reset the temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, you want to restart your device. For that, you can either select the restart option or the power off option. If you select power off, wait for a couple of minutes, then again switch on your device. Open up NFL and check if your problem is fixed. If not, open up your settings, then tap on apps. Now scroll and find the NFL app, tap on that. Now tap on the storage option, then tap on clear cache. If that doesn't fix your issue, you want to reinstall the app. For that, tap on the uninstall option. Once it has been uninstalled, open up Play Store again, then search NFL. Now tap on the install option and install NFL again. Open the app, log into your account, and your issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.